Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Today, April 30th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar.
Food is more than just a meal. It's a story, a tradition, and a way to bring families together. Today is Local Cuisine Cooking Day, a perfect opportunity to gather in the kitchen and cook a traditional dish as a family. From learning age-old recipes to sharing kitchen moments, cooking together strengthens bonds and keeps cultural heritage alive. Every ingredient has a tale, every spice adds warmth, and every dish carries the love of generations past. And the best part? Sitting down together to enjoy a meal made with love, laughter, and teamwork. So, pick a favorite traditional recipe, cook as a family, and celebrate the joy of homemade flavors. Happy Local Cuisine Cooking Day. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.